A man accused of murder may soon be back on the street. An Operation Crime and Justice investigation found the state's case is in jeopardy.
Lead investigative reporter Joy LaPola explains there is a key piece of the state's case that's missing.
A key witness in the case has gone missing, and time is running out to find him. If officers don't find this witness, and fast, it could lead to another unresolved murder in the city. Donnie Walton stepped out of his front door the morning of May 30th, like he did every morning. Around 6 a.m., Walton's dogs always became a little restless. A morning routine Walton typically looked forward to, but this was no typical morning. At 6:18, police were alerted to the sound of gunshots along this stretch of 21st Street. A nearby surveillance camera recorded part of what happened. Family members, too fearful to show their faces on camera, tell me the footage shows the suspected gunman running from the scene and Walton's dogs. When police arrived, they found 54-year-old Donnie Walton on the ground. He had been shot several times. He'd later be pronounced dead at the hospital. 4 months later in North Carolina, police executed an arrest warrant for Anderson Covell, the man suspected of killing Walton. Online court records show Covell had already been convicted in a separate Baltimore shooting. In that case, the victim survived. That attempted murder happened just 6 years ago here. On the same street, Walton was fatally shot. Walton's shooting happened just 3 blocks up the road. Covell pleaded guilty in that shooting. A judge sentenced him to 7 years. He served even less than that. 4 months after his release, Donnie Walton was found murdered. On Monday, Covell was in court to stand trial for Walton's murder. Prosecutors asked the trial be postponed because police had not found their sole witness. The assistant state's attorney told the judge, quote, "He is our only witness." The judge granted the postponement, adding, "We cannot continue this." Police have until the end of January to find this witness. If they don't, there's a good chance at the end of this month, Covell will be free. While hundreds of cases are dropped by the state's attorney's office every year, it rarely happens in a homicide case. Now, if there's a story you'd like us to investigate, you can give us a call at 410-662-1456, or you can send us an email to crimeandjustice@foxbaltimore.com. I'm Joy LaPola, and this is Operation Crime and Justice.